It's 1-6 collecting data. Your list of data is at the top. If you're going to want to make a table so that you can count these up, you should list each different item in the table. What's the first item that I should list under type in the table? Give me one type of data that's up there. Something that shows up in the list. 3. 3 shows up. Is there anything less than 3? 1. Anything less than 1? 0. So we'll put them in order. What do I put next? 1, 2, 3, and 4. The tally column is optional. You can use that to make marks in there like this when you're counting them up. But when you're done counting them, you put the actual number in the frequency column. The frequency means how many times it shows up. So we'll do that, and I'll count them like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 zeros. And then I have, for the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the twos, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. For the threes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then for the fours, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now check to see if you've counted everything. How many items are in that table at the top? How many total items? Yeah, there's 45 total items in there. So let's add up our frequencies. What's 5 and 7? 12. What's 12 plus 16? 28 plus 11. 39 plus 6. 45, yeah. So we have them all. Now you just have to answer some basic questions about this. For example, what is the most popular item in the list? 2. Yeah, it shows up the most number of times. You could also answer this question. How many items are less than 2 or greater than 3? How many items are less than 2? Here are the items that are less than 2. 0 and 1. How many? 12. We have 12 of those. But how many are greater than 3? 12 plus 6 is 18. How many red are there? How many yellow? How many blue? How many green? And how many purple? And the difference between red and purple is what? 4, yes. Order the activities from least to greatest. How many computers? How many golf? How many mowing? And fishing? Reading? 11. Okay, so we have to put these in order from least to greatest. You can have G or F in any order. to start with because they're both the same. But then after those two, you would have to have computers, C, and then reading, R, and then mowing, M. How many items, or in this case students, have less than 1A or more than 2? How many zeros do we have? How many ones? 16. How many twos?
13.
There's 14 or 13? All right, we'll try 14. How about 3? And 4? There's 4 of them. There's 4 fours. Okay, so the question the question is, how many are less than 1 or greater than 2? So 6 and 5 is 11 plus 4 is 15.